So, for the past 3 weeks, Ogechi has been cooling off na police detention na Abuja for the past 3 weeks. Said by somebody, Miti Golu, almost all his dreams and the plans for this year, 2025. All got so fulfilled this year that he can't help but celebrate. He can't help but jubilate. Ongujuliyobi, because na container on a expert from China since another go. Now, for those people who has been looking for Ogechi, Ogechi no. Okwe from somebody who knows better that Ogechi on a detention na Abuja for the past 3 weeks. So can you now jubilate with him and celebrate with him? Because na content ono tolo anatago. Ndibo melu no ngune bele. Melu no ngune bele. Us in na justice for Miriam Justice. So I never knew that not only Miriam Justice wonya no Ogechi nwe problem. Even the Madujeku no Ogechi nwe problem with so many people. But it is just of recent that can realize not only Miriam Justice Kanya no Ogechi nwe problem. Because suddenly people started demanding for justice on behalf of Miriam Justice. Miriam Justice, Miriam Justice, justice for Miriam Justice, justice for Miriam Justice. You got to go. So let us say congratulations to this our brother with so much excitement, with so much joy, for a man who is in his 30s or 40s, jubilating not just January, go meet Golu. The whole dreams or accomplish go the whole dreams and aspirations for this 2025. He is now an established man. He is now a fulfilled man. He is now very happy. Some people do shameless. I'm sorry to say this. Some people do shameless. So I want to show Ogechi. He said that maybe the Juman dem made seketa. Kelebe first headquarters do. Kelebe kuje prison do. Because now 2 of these places Ogechi neba for the past 3 weeks. Kelifi na chogalele ye netiti nde do free. Ebo ono ebo nwe freedom. Onafu bo ife. Sometimes I believe no Ogechi wunyawo the highest antidote some of you need. Some of you need Ogechi's treatment. Ototo. Ogechi's treatment. Evie and Ogechi's treatment. Abane. Because no so nyane lono. Etu mamele si weni okoko. So nya approval no wonye ngoba. Onweho di ala ifilu na awe. Ogechi nweho a perfect dosage for you. Ogechi mwa the way to get and handle all of you. So when you cry for left, right, and center, Adama, I can feel your pain. 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 But with the kind of exhibition some of you exhibit, the character most of you exhibit, I am meant to believe that no Ogechi would the perfect medicine for a whole lot of you. Go to Kuje prison or go to police headquarters and go and look for Ogechi or your megu famanya. Continue living in illusion. Ejenachi fi yalo otutu Ogechi, efifi Ogechi, abani Ogechi, for dim pamado iberu na acho ego Range Rover autobiography or iberu na anye. Oh, mmadụ iberu gbajana na amuwo luno uno ni na na Victory Estate ndị Igbo nwe, Greenfield Estate ndị Igbo nwe, Lakeview phase 1, Lakeview phase 2, Jena Lekki, Jena Ikoyi, Jena VGC. gbadata Asaba jee n'Ọka gbadata Owerri jee na GRA Ọnịsha ụmụ nwoke ibegu nwe properties niile a oke moto niile a na-agba the whole project a na-alụ ụmụ nwoke ibegu na-eme instead of ya ada admire ka ị nọrọ ka ibegu si wee nọrọ ị nọrọ na-achọ they have arrested Ogechi, they have arrested Ogechi. Ogechi has been in detention and you are a fulfilled man now. In fact, the rest of your 2025 will be so smooth. That is what you are waiting to hear. Okay, now we fe in a choke no. Eh? Shireke. I wonder if konya yesi we feel na igwe na ifo na ekwu wase. I don't want you to go back to sadness. I don't want you to begin to eat up yourself again. I don't want you to feel sad. I don't want you to feel that your world has collapsed. I don't want you to feel like you are not doing well, that you are not measuring up with people. So I will allow you to settle down with this dream, only to hope that you will wake up one day by yourself. I won't be the person to wake you up because I want you to be happy. Since all the rest of your 2025 are going okay, continue to live in that illusion. Continue to live in that fantasy. I don't want to wake you up, and I don't want to give you a sad news. Okay, I don't see no more which will develop heart attack or BP. You got to go. Keep jumping up and keep jubilating. Ohammo wonye emegu enu news mmenye oketa. It my heart, my chest. Eda enwa na ogwo waja. Enwa na ogwo onunde keludu side be waja Umudioka. You got to go. Ohammo wonye yakosrogo heartache. So continue to jubilate. That news in eche, bad news in eche. Ohammo wonye break here. So for the rest of you who needed this good news for the rest of 2025, your 2025 to be actualized, I am giving you that news now that Ogechi has been in Abuja for the past 3 weeks. Ejidego passport here, Oyana Chiya. That is justice at last for Miriam Justice. So can you begin to jubilate and celebrate now? Go and relax. Sleep, only wake up, because if you believe can achieve in the middle of this year, it achieve gay na beginning of this year. You gotta go. Bad news maybe this news in a celebrate what one mama Kedechi can go we make also okay wefe. Okay wefe umwoke na kuzi asere these days carry umwanye. Umwanye na do busy. Umwoke na akwasere. Oyado. Keep enjoying. Ohammo ye maybe srego your moment. Ke ga resi no mo wopolo oshidu uneze. You other go. Settle with the news why it lasts. You other go. Settle with the news why it lasts. Mumu inyeru news uye we na abania is more like onya na atoro ga na container ye esigo na war for pota. Noru no zo na abia warehouse ya. Why na container ya bata boda bata. Ngwa ga eziokwu kita na container ga bata bo iwe. Mana ka mma na ngwara o na mgbafeli ye no n'ụzọ abia na warehouse o iwe na-enwe aṅụrị. You gotta go. Let this be the case of this young man. Dalonu ko bosta mara. I'm happy Sunday, my people.